Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and I also thank the Honourable Member as well, Mr. Speaker, sir. I'm happy to update the Honourable Members of this August House that the establishment of the Fiji Youth Council is aligned to the National Youth Policy. As such, an open and transparent process was followed in its establishment. Mr. Speaker, sir, the appointment of the Fiji Youth Council members was done through an expression of interest published in the Fiji Sun and on the Ministry's website. Interested individuals were given 4 weeks, Mr. Speaker, sir, to apply directly to the Permanent Secretary of Ministry of Youth and Sports. Mr. Speaker, sir, two very important principles for selection amongst the other requirements, but not limited to, was for applicants to be within the age of 15 to 35 years and must be involved in youth or sports development work in their respective communities. Mr. Speaker, sir, it is also imperative for those appointed are youth leaders who have the capacity to assist the country with youth development work. As a peak national youth body, there was a lot of interest from individuals and the application. And for a peak national youth body with a limited number of positions, the best of the best from among our youth had applied. This was very encouraging, Mr. Speaker, sir, for the ministry and for the status of our youth in our country. Mr. Speaker, sir, I must state here that my ministry had applied best practice approach in a transparent manner in ensuring that we appointed the right fit youth leaders who matched the requirements of the role to be the members of the new Fiji Youth Council. The National Youth Council's biodata and their achievements are impressive to say the least. And this means that they have been selected from a wider of applicants who all had merit, but as the Council is composed of a set membership to ensure that their operational and logistical capacity is at the optimum. We could, of course, not accommodate all the applicants, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, the requirements set out and the call for expressions of interest required an existing set of achievements in the youth initiatives and for having achieved high levels of continuous achievements as youth leaders. Mr. Speaker, sir, I must commend my ministry officials for putting together the requirements and following it to ensure that the best of the best among our youths are represented on the National Youth Council. And we look forward to this select group of Fijian youth leaders to lead the way forward as we seek to broaden horizons and better place our youth as leaders of our future. Lastly, Mr. Speaker, sir, I wish to thank all the 16 members who have come forward to assist us, and they all are volunteers, Mr. Speaker, sir. Thank you.